How well do you know the other vendors in the wedding industry or the event industry? Hi, this is Bill. This is Creative License. Thanks again for being a part of the Little Dog and Pony show I do every week. And thanks to my sponsors, Electro Voice, Promo Only, DJ Event Planner, Perfect Portals, Disc Jockey News, and of course the Entertainment Experience, which is my workshop, which I'd love for you to come to. Just reach out, I'll tell you about it. So, how well do you know those people? And what have you done to go out of your way to learn about them and their offerings? I bring this up today because I got a tour today at an open house at a DoubleTree Hilton property that has just been rebranded and retooled and brand new stuff and circuits and carpeting and paint and just really beautiful. And they had an open house. It's not like I haven't been there before in that space, and I could have just, I mean, you know what it is, right? Not like I saw something there that I've never seen. But what I did get was a chance to spend time with other people. They're going to be talking to other people that might be hiring me, to remind them that I'm in the same boat, that I'm working with the same kind of customers, that I care for these people the way they do too. And because of that, I've created a kinship. Because it's not just that I go and see the property, because the property is this thing, right? But it's the people. And if you haven't figured it out yet, our customers want to work with people. Sure, they want a nice hotel, they want a good DJ, they want good food, but you can get good from anybody when it comes to the other vendors. What they want to work with are people they like. People that are people. You know, not just machines that are having you sign contracts for things. When people say to you, well, people buy because they want to like you and they want to trust you. Because if they like you, they trust you, then they'll buy from you, right? Well, this is where that comes in. This is where the truth is. Because it's not hard to find a hotel or a venue to do your wedding at, or your special event, or your corporate event. It's not hard to find a DJ, or a caterer, or a dessert vendor, or a coffee vendor. It's not hard. All of those things are everywhere. So what puts you apart from everybody else? I know you hate to hear this, but it is you, you know. It's you and the kind of person you are. And if your colleagues know you, and they like you, then you tell people about you. Not about your DJ service, not about your dressmaking service or your floral service. They tell people about you. Because the assumption is that you have that. You have what they need, the thing. What they don't get with many services is the you, your personality, the person you are, the person who cares for them. And that shows up only when they know who you are. So why is it important to get to know your other vendors? Because they need to get to know you. And when you speak about going to a hotel, do you say, well, that's a good hotel because that's a good space? Or you go to there because, well, that sounds like it would fit your needs, but Susie, the lady in charge of sales and catering, is so amazing that everything will be easier for you. Because you can find a space that'll hold 350 people everywhere, but not that has Susie. Same thing goes for you. So if you start to have a paradigm shift around the thing you deliver as opposed to the person you are that delivers it, then all of a sudden, how you present yourself to future clients and customers it completely changes, doesn't it? Because now, bringing stuff, that's the easy part. Actually, that's the hard part. Being the easy part is being you. Being a likable, trustworthy, caring human being that they can't wait to work with. What do you think of this? Write down your comments below. Like and subscribe and share. You know, do a little dance, make a little love, get down tonight. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next time.